Hi guys, welcome back to my channel You and I Can Cook. Today I have prepared methi leaves patrade. This is one of the most favorite dish of all Mangaloreans. This dish is also prepared in Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa and north coastal Karnataka down to Mangalore. Patrade is traditionally made using colocasia leaves, but it is also prepared with methi leaves or cabbage. You can also fry the patrade instead of making a gravy out of it. Some people prefer to put mutton along with patrade while cooking. Whatever variations you do, methi leaves patrade tastes just awesome as the ones made with colocasia leaves. If you like this dish, please like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. I have soaked the rice for about 4 hours now, and now I am going to grind the rice along with the chilies, the cumin, turmeric, tamarind and the salt. Please grind it to a smooth paste, but it should be thick. The pan is now heated. Now I am going to dry roast the ingredients. Do not brown them, lightly roast them. The ingredients are lightly roasted now. Allow it to cool. Now dry roast the coconut. Onion as well as the garlic along with the coconut and dry roast it lightly. Do not brown the onion. The onion and the coconut is lightly roasted now. I'm going to put everything together and grind it to a thick paste. The rice has been ground now. I'm going to put the methi leaves. I squeezed all salt water from this and I'm going to mix it up with the ground rice. After grinding, I kept the batter in the fridge for about half an hour so that it will become a little bit thick. If the batter becomes too thin, you can put little bit of rice powder also into it and mix well. I've kept the water for boiling in this utensil. I will be steaming the patrades in this. We usually use teak leaves or banana leaves for wrapping the patrade before steaming, but unfortunately I couldn't get either of them. That's why I had to use the aluminium foil. Cover and cook for 40 minutes. The patradis are now cooked. After 40 minutes, I kept it for cooling down a little bit. Let's now open and see how they have come out. Wow, it looks so good. We'll now slice the patrade. I've sliced all the patrades. Now I'm going to make the gravy and put all these patrades in the gravy. I've heated the utensil. I'm going to pour a little oil, about 1 tablespoon. Put on sliced onion. Brown the onion lightly. Now I'm going to put the brown masala. I'm putting some water because the gravy is very thick. This is the consistency of the gravy that I require. Put half a teaspoon salt. When the gravy starts to bubble, you can add the patrade. Curry is now bubbling. I'll now add the patrade pieces. Cover and allow it to cook for 3 minutes. Let me check. It looks so awesome and yummy. I can get the aroma of the methi. And it's done. Let's now plate it. Yummy patrades are now ready to be served. Please try it out guys and let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.